Alright, what's up guys? My quick unboxing of the Insta360 1R action camera. It also works as a 360 camera, as you can tell by the name. So quick overview of the box. Nothing special. They have everything that comes in the box. Looks like we'll be getting the core piece, a mounting bracket, the 360 mod for 360 video, the lens cap, 4K wide angle, so I guess it can also be used as a great action camera, battery base, and the charging cable. And on this side, there's some of the features. 360 capture, of course, 4K capture, stabilization, waterproof to 5 meters, invisible selfie stick, which we actually have right here. It comes in a different box. Auto frame, auto edit, hyperlapse, point to track, voice control, slow-mo, night shot, HDR. So yeah, a lot of the standard features you'd want to find in an expensive premium camera like this. But if you're here for the unboxing, you most likely are already familiar with the specs, so let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, got my knife right here. Just gonna cut down. And I think most of these features are gonna be controlled via the app, so I heard that their app is one of the better apps for 360 action cameras and the like. Take off this wrapping. Okay. Looks like a phone box, just lifts right off. Alright, okay, so this is pretty small. This looks like the actual camera part, the lens, and the actual base mod. This, I think, is the 4K wide lens. Oh no, this is the 360 lens. This is the 4K lens. The 360 one has these really prominent like lens bubbles right here, and it's on both sides. So this is for 360. This is the battery base, and let's see. Accessories are in this box. Alright. I don't know why they have a tab there when the thing opens here, but yeah, we'll see. So charging cable, USB Type-C. We like to see that. 2020. What else? Okay, so this is the protective housing for the 360 lens and the camera itself. This is where you build it because it's a pretty modular system. So, and then all your guides, warranty information, Insta360 stickers. You get a protective cloth, silica gel. These are apparently desiccants for the lens mode. For humid conditions, I guess. Okay. So we'll throw those to the side. Alright, that's pretty much everything you get with the camera. I think this can come apart. Yep. Modular system. And it should be able to go both ways. I'm not sure. I won't try it. I don't want to break this thing. Okay. So, what also came in the package, if you get some kind of pack, was this thing. I think it's a flashlight maybe, and a cleaning lens, even though it already comes in the box. So, okay, this is just a cleaning brush apparently. So this is the cleaning kit. And finally, let's move on to the invisible selfie stick. So let's cut this plastic. Oh my gosh, so bad. Cutting the box there. Alright, let's take this out. So here's gonna be your selfie stick. Does this extend? Alright, so it just extends out. Pretty long stick actually. Let's check out anything on the bottom. So you can mount this to a tripod, I assume. That's what it's for. Closes right up. And this is the mount for the camera. So yeah, it'll just mount on. Nothing else comes in that box. And finally, the pack I got came with this SanDisk 64GB micro SD. So I guess we'll open that up. Okay. Here it is. Just a standard micro SD card. I'm not going to take that out for now. And an adapter, so if your computer doesn't have one or whatever you're plugging it into, so you can adapt it to a full-size SD card slot. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for the Insta360 1R full kit unboxing. If you liked the video, feel free to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.